In this video, we'll show you what to do if you have forgotten your secure folder PIN or password and can't seem to access it. So the easiest way to fix this is to use this forgot PIN option. Once you click on it, you will see the option to reset the PIN using your Samsung account. However, if you don't see this option or if this option doesn't work for you, there is also another way to do this. So for that, you'll first need to open the settings app on your phone and then go to your Samsung account. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on sign out. Now tap on sign out again to confirm. Once you have done this, head to the secure folder once again and you'll see this option to either sign in or uninstall. Simply click on uninstall. Note that this will delete all your secure folder data and also remove the secure folder from your phone. So only do this if you can't seem to remember your PIN or password or can't seem to reset it. Once you have removed secure folder, sign in with your Samsung account once again. After signing in, head to the settings app again, tap the search option and then look for secure folder. So simply type in folder and then select the secure folder option. Here tap on secure folder once again and you will see the setup screen. You can then follow the on-screen prompts to create the secure folder again. Once it is created, you can set up a PIN or password and then use the secure folder as usual. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.